What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Trucker 219. We are back with some more crash reactions. Let's go. All right, looks like this truck is getting ready to turn left. We got a red light here. Brake check, brake check. Oh, man. Yeah, it looks like it was turning yellow. The semi-truck anticipated that the truck would turn on the yellow, but it was turning from yellow to red right there. Okay, so we got a morning drive here. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Pay your penalty for not paying attention. Go up to the next exit, turn around. It is not worth risking your life or everybody else's life just to hit this exit. I'm sure there's one within 5 miles up the road. And now this poor car hauler has to go this way now too. Oh, wait. Back it up. It could have been worse. I mean, the hearse was right there ready on scene to take care of business. Oh. Green light, green light. Oh, buddy. You got to stop and yield at a red light. Okay, we got a green light here. This guy's coming on, thinking he's got enough room to it. And now this just messed up two people's day because of one person's not paying attention, not following the laws of the road. You got to stop, even if it is a red light and you do have the right of way to turn right on red. You still have to stop, check, make sure the traffic's clear, and then go. Okay, rainy, wet conditions here. Oh, he tried to dodge it. Oh, did he make it? Oh, goodness gracious. Again, the best thing you can do in rainy, wet conditions is slow down, even when you're going relatively slow already. This is obviously like more of a city, so you're looking at about 35, 45 miles an hour, maybe 50, but you shouldn't be going that fast down a road like this. And really, I think the issue on this one is more so the fact that this red truck is a bobtail. You can tell just by the way the skid marks are later on here in this video, but it looks like it's a bobtail. And you might think just because it's a bobtail, it's lighter, you're able to stop easier, but that's actually not the case because these trucks are designed to pull and designed to haul trailers. So they're designed to have all that extra weight on the back. And when it's not on there, you get loose and spin out. Especially when you're braking and all that weight shifts forward, those back tires will still lift up and it'll send you sideways just like it did in this video. So slow down, especially in a bobtail in rain. This is saying way too fast for conditions, but I don't necessarily think that's the issue. I think it's more so not paying attention and the fact that he was a bobtail. Oh, for my viewers that are not truck drivers, a bobtail means there's no trailer on the truck. Sorry, I forget there's more than just truckers out there. So this truck is jumping over the solid white line still. So he's already in the wrong. And then not only that, but he's trying to zip past this car. It doesn't look like this car has its turn signal on. However, what are you rushing like that for? Like this car probably looked in its mirror, seen nothing, and then looked back forward and started merging over. Again, the car should have had its turn signal on. However, you're the professional truck driver. Come on, guys. Okay, we got this box truck here. Oh, slow it down, slow it down. Oh, waiting to the last minute to try to find an out. Did he have another out, though? Let's go ahead and take that back and take a look. I'm going to go with no. There's a car here. And shortly after, you see another car up here. So he didn't have an out that way. He tried to take the out that he could. Leave enough following distance. I mean, 3-4 car lengths ahead of you, you should be able to stop, especially in a box truck there. But again, these box trucks, they could be driven by anybody. Depending on how much weight they're carrying, any individual can haul this as long as I believe it's under 26,000 pounds. In order to drive a truck without a CDL, it has to be under 26,001 pounds. Anything more than that, and it's going to require a CDL in order to drive it legally. So I'm not sure the size of this truck or what it can haul. And again, this is the gross vehicle weight. It doesn't mean that it has to have the 26,000 pounds in it, just that the vehicle is 26,001 pounds. And if that's the case, then you need a CDL in order to drive it. Okay, so we got a light dusting of snow here. It's the early snow where it's just starting to come down. That means these roads are going to be slick, especially if it's been cold. You're going over a bridge too. Bridges ice before roads do. Yeah, so as soon as you hit the bridge, boom, some black ice on there, and it's going to send you spinning around. Oh, and you got a trailer too. A little bit of a jackknife, and you pinch the car here. Yeah, you definitely need to slow down when there's ice and snow. And watch out on bridges too, because they do ice. And that's because there's cold air blowing over and underneath of it, which creates a little bit of a colder environment for the water that's sitting on top of the bridge. Okay, we're sitting in traffic here. Little slow movement over here on this side. Uh-oh, we're rolling backwards. Man, how many people have to honk before you like wake up? A lot of times, though, what happens in these situations, similar to the warehouse, people start messing around with their phones as soon as the traffic slows down. If you have to mess with your phone, if you're really stuck in traffic, fine. Set your brakes, pull that red and yellow knob on the dash there, and you'll be okay. Just pay attention for when traffic starts to move again. Now we got another traffic accident, which is going to create more and more and more of a backup if this stuff keeps on domino effecting down the line too. All right, so we're coming up into a split here where one interstate goes one way, one side goes the other. Uh-oh, we got a reverse payer penalty for paying attention. Kind of, sort of. Yeah, this guy should have been over here. Again, if you're in a different city too, it could be difficult to understand the roadways and the road signs. However, you could easily go up to the next exit and turn around. Not a big deal. It's going to take you an extra 5 minutes to do that versus now you have to pay your penalty for not paying attention and you got a wrecked car and your whole vacation's over. All right, we're just cruising along here down a city street. Whoa! Hello. What's up, little cabbie? Wham! Good job on this Saya truck for paying attention. You've definitely got to look around the corner here. Let's take it back and see what actually happened. All right, so number one issue, you got some visibility here from the van and then from this trees and shrubbery. And I really wish these cities would do something about that to make it a little bit more visible, because we're just now getting to the driver's side window. There's no way they're seeing this truck. However, that's a stop sign. And you have to stop at a stop sign, then inch forward to make sure you can see all right. There's yeah, this yellow car 100% ran the stop sign. Okay, so we're coming to a traffic backup. Oh, they tried to find an out. Oh my gosh. Again, we're at a situation of too fast for conditions. It almost looked like this car was trying to keep pace with this truck or outpace him to get in front of him on purpose, because they're literally almost going the same speed as the truck. Man, you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. All right, y'all, that's going to be it for this one. I want to take a second to shout out one of my new members on the channel, and his username is John Dory. Hey, John, I appreciate you taking the time to show your support through a membership. If you'd like to become a member on Trucker 219 and join the 219 Convoy crew, the link will be down below, but it's just an extra way to show support of the channel and everything we're doing here. And if you like that crash reaction, you'll probably like the rest of them. You can click the playlist right here. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, bye.